Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video for you guys on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Couchsurfing account. So if you're fed up of using Couchsurfing app or for any other specific reasons you'd like to delete the app permanently and close your account, this is what you need to do. For this, first of all, head over to the app and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So currently I'm just waiting for the interface to load. If you're already logged in, you will land on your dashboard. There you can see that on the bottom right corner you have an account section. Go to account, scroll downwards, and then go to help. As you go to help, you'll be directed towards support.couchsurfing.org. So all you have to do here is type in delete account. As you type in delete account, you will now be directed towards different articles. Tap on the very first one and then scroll downwards until you see the title that says account deletion. So here it says, please contact our support team if you do not have access to the account's email address, or this will also lead you towards the deletion of your account. So tap on contact. And as you do that, you will now be able to submit a request. So tap on category as my account, subcategory as reactivate, deactivate, or delete, and then tap on deactivate or delete my account. So here it says you can deactivate your account at any time from the bottom of your account settings page. So now if you're concerned about deletion of your account, what you have to do is type in the subject, and then in the description what you have to do is type in something like, I want to permanently delete my account. And then all you have to do is give in your profile link as well. So make sure that you've already copied the link and then tap on submit. After doing this, a request will have been sent, but before that you also have to give in the email address that you had previously used in order to sign up to your account. Now after doing this, tap on the submit button, and in a certain while your request will have been submitted. Now what you have to do is you'll have to keep checking your Gmail to see if you receive any sort of emails from your Couchsurfing account, which will notify you of the further procedures in order to delete your account, and eventually your account will get deleted. So this is basically how you can delete your Couchsurfing account. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to delete your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also please hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video on how to geek. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.